Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Vivo Concept Store dito sa SM North EDSA. At again, check natin po ang mga updated prices ng kanilang mga mobile phones at kung ano pang mga gadgets na available sila na meron sila ngayon. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out Vivo phones. So ito yung Vivo Buds, no? 1,699 siya. May 50 hour ultra long battery, super low gaming latency, Vivo Deep X 3.0 sound effects, stylish lightweight design, comfortable ear stems, stable connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4 plus multi-point connection, AI call noise reduction plus wind noise resistance, Google Voice Assistant, touch control, remote camera control, Find My, TWS, so may TWS siya. Meron siyang IP54 dust and water resistance. Only for 1,699 pesos SRP, Vivo Buds. So ito yung Vivo Watch GT, Power Your Healthy Life. So meron siyang 21-day ultra long battery life, AI powered 24/7 health monitoring, sleep monitoring with non-intrusive infrared sensor, circulatory polarized GPS for urban accuracy, professional racket sports mode, square aesthetic design with 2.5 curved AMOLED display, track mode for precise playground running, built-in workout and fitness course plus mini games. Yan ang Vivo GT. So, dalawang klase siya, no? Two variants, soft rubber, summer black, which is nandito. So, this one is 7,599. Tapos yung leather version na cloud white, it's 8,099. Okay. So, yung leather cloud white is 8,099 SRP. So, yung dalawang variants niya, no? Okay, simulan natin yung cellphone dito sa X300, no? Yung mga big time. So, para sa mga big time dyan, no? Simulan natin tong X300 Pro. May 200 MP Zeiss APO telephoto camera. Meron Dimensity 9500. Ang battery niya is 6,510 mAh. Plus, meron siyang flash charge na 90 watts. Pag wireless naman, 40 watts ang wireless charging niya. Meron siyang IP68 at IP69 dust and water resistance. And Origin OS version 6. So sa kaliwa, yung kanyang unit price, no, with 16 GB RAM and 5112 na GB ROM. Ang SRP niya is 77,999. Pag gusto mo ng extra accessories, may telephoto kit na 12,999, yan yung presyo sa gitna. Tapos yung presyo sa kanan, yung grip kit na 7,999. That's on top dun sa 77,999 na SRP ng Vivo X300 Pro. Yan. Okay guys, ang susunod naman natin Vivo X300, no? So meron silang live demo unit here. Check natin mamaya. Meron siyang 200 MP Zeiss main camera. Okay, be reminded, hindi to yung Pro. Ito yung X300 lang. Tapos yung Dimensity niya, 9500, 6,040 mAh. Blue Volt battery, 90 watt flash charging plus 40 watt wireless charging. IP68 at IP69 dust and water resistance. So ang SRP niya is ang SRP niya is 67,999 with 16 GB RAM at saka 512 na ROM. Comes in Halo Pink and Phantom Black. So yung nasa unit ngayon din dito is yung Halo Pink. Okay guys, ang next naman natin yung X Fold 5, no? Ito yung fold phone ng Vivo X Fold 5. So ang SRP niya is 109,999 with 6 GB RAM and 512 na ROM. So tignan natin yung mga basic specs niya. Equivalent 6,000 mAh Blue Volt battery plus 80 watt dual cell flash charge. Meron siyang 8.03 inch na Zeiss master color display. May IPX8 at saka IPX9 na water resistance at saka 50 megapixel Zeiss telephoto camera. Oh, nice. and other features, no? Siyempre, sa katutak na AI, wala na ngayong mobile phone na walang AI, no? Especially sa mga high-end at saka mid-end, no? So, 217 grams siya with carbon fiber support hinge dun sa may crease. Tapos manipis lang siya, no? 4.3 millimeter pag unfolded. Okay guys, so yung Vivo V60 na 5G, no? It's co-engineered with Zeiss din with AI inside. So again, yung SRPs niya, no? May dalawang version to. 28,999 at saka 30,999 na SRPs. Ang yung nasa kaliwa na 28,000, 12GB RAM plus 256 ROM. Tapos yung nasa kanan na 30,000, 12GB RAM at saka 512 na ROM. Okay? So yung meron siyang 50 megapixel Zeiss super telephoto camera up to 100x. Tapos Zeiss multifocal portrait, AI 4 season portrait, may IP68 at 69 na dust and water resistance. May 10x na Zeiss telephoto stage portrait, 6,500 mAh na blue volt battery plus 90 watt flash charging. Of course, isang katutak na AI inside. And of course, siyempre, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 4. Okay, so that's our Vivo V60. Okay, boys and girls, ang next naman natin, no, yung Vivo V60 Lite. Meron silang tatlong variants, no? 14,999 SRP, 17,999 at 20,999. Yung sa kaliwa, meron na 16 GB na RAM, 8+8, tapos 256 na ROM. Tapos ito naman, 16, tapos may 256 na ROM. Then, bakit? Mas mataas. Kasi yung sa kaliwa, 4G. Itong 14,999, tapos itong 17,999, 5G. Ito naman, so pareho silang specs, no? Sa RAM at saka sa ROM. Pero dito sa 20,999 na 5G, ang ROM naman niya is 112 na gigabyte na ROM, tapos yung RAM niya is 24, so 12 plus 12 na extended. So anong meron dito sa Vivo V60 Lite? So meron siyang 6,500 mAh blue volt battery, may 50MP Sony IMX882 na camera, meron siyang 6.77 inch 120Hz AMOLED display. Tapos gaming bypass charging, no? Plus ultra game mode. Nako, yan ang gusto ko sana sa lahat ng cellphone, may gaming bypass charging. No? Tapos MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo gaming mobile platform. So AI 4 season portrait, 400% volume dual stereo speaker, and for further specs, check nyo lang sa description box below this video sa YouTube. So dito tayo, no, sa entry level nila, Vivo Y04 at saka Y04S. So meron siyang 4,699 8GB na RAM, that's 4 plus 4 extended RAM plus 64 na ROM. Yung nasa gitna naman 5,299, meron 8GB 4 plus 4 na RAM at saka 1 to 6GB na ROM. Yung nasa dulo naman sa kanan, 6,499, 8GB, 4 plus 4, at saka 256 na ROM. O, di ba? Ano pa, di ba? Kasyang-kasya sa budget. So, meron siyang, I guess, across the board to. May 6,000 mAh blue volt battery with 5-year battery health, 5-star drop resistance, military grade, shock resistance. May 200% volume and audio booster. Tapos AI inside, no? Para sa mga photography nyo and others. And 8GB RAM extended and max, and meron din yung 256 naka-maximum, no? 256GB ROM. Expandable up to 2TB storage. Okay, IP64, dust and water resistance, 10x high density flashlight, and AI automatic document correction. Yan yung Vivo Y04 at saka Y04S. Okay, ang next naman natin, Vivo Y21D, no? Ang next na masasabi kong still a budget phone, no? So, yung sa kaliwa, 6,999 na SRP at sa kanan naman, 8,999 na XRP. Yung sa kaliwa, 8GB, 4 plus 4, tapos may 1 to 8 na GB ROM. Tapos yung sa kanan naman, 12GB na 6 plus 6 plus 256 na ROM na storage. Okay, so makita na lang natin yung yung camera. Tapos may 6,500 milliamp 2-volt battery, may 44 watt flash charge, may 400% volume dual stereo speaker, may SGS 5-star drop na resistance certification, no? And military grade shock resistance certification. Plus may helmet on face unlock. Okay? So ibig sabihin kahit naka-helmet ka, makikita ka pa rin sa loob. Tapos may IP68 at IP69 dust and water resistance. At may 50 megapixel rear camera. And pwede ka rin mag-underwater photography. Tapos circle to search with Google. And what? Yan yun, Vivo Y21D. Okay. Comes in 2 variants. Okay, ang next naman natin, Vivo Y29. Vivo Y29. So, may dalawang variant siya, no? 8,999 at saka 10,999 na SRP. Dito tayo sa 8. Meron siyang 16GB na RAM, 8 plus 8, at 128GB ROM. Tapos sa kanan naman, yung sa 10, 16GB, 8 plus 8 na RAM, tapos 256 na GB na ROM. Okay, so sa ROM sila nagkakaroon ng diferensya. Pero pareho pa rin yung tech inside, no? So 6,500 milliamp 2-volt battery plus 44 watt flash charge. May 400% volume dual stereo speaker. May IP64 dust and water resistance. And SGS 5-star drop resistance and military grade certification. Meron din circle to search with Google. Tapos may 50-month smooth experience, no? And helmet on face unlock para sa mga nagmamotorsiklo. Yan ang Vivo Y29.